Hello friends, welcome back to School Science Project. Today we will not dive into any scientific explanation, but we will be making a homemade whiteboard. To make this whiteboard, we need materials such as a fabric, a polythene sheet, a cardboard, and two A4 size sheet paper. So let's start making our DIY homemade whiteboard. First, we need to paste a A4 size sheet paper on top of a cardboard. I've already done it. We need to do it for smoothness. Then we need to paste another white A4 size sheet paper on top of the white A4 size sheet paper for hardness. Now we need to paste it. After this, we need to paste the polythene sheet on top of the white A4 size paper so that we can erase whatever we write. Now our DIY homemade whiteboard is been made. Let's test our homemade whiteboard. Wow! Can you see, friends? We can erase whatever we write. It is working properly. You can use it for educational purpose and beyond. Let's get creative. Thank you. Bye.